everything about CallBee Admin. Hey everyone, and welcome to CallBee Calling CRM. In this tutorial, you will understand how you can use CallBee Admin to manage your team and customers at maximum potential. As you log in with your Gmail and password, you will be redirected to the dashboard. Dashboard is your daily coffee shop, where you can find all of today's active team members' total calls and their status by numbers. Now let's navigate the different sections on the sidebar, which are like your handy tools to manage effectively. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. As you can see inside, there are so many options in the sidebar. As we click on Team and Member, you will find everything that is related to managing a team, where you can create branch admins, managers, sub-managers, and calling agents, which makes team structure perfect. As you know, if you build the perfect team structure, it's easy to manage them all at once. Let's move ahead to the list and contact. In this section, you will find a custom filter with a graph to check your data easily. As you scroll down, you will find so many options. Those options are made to make your work faster with customer lists, single and bulk contact imports. If I need to explain and sort, I will say this is the section where you will find and manage your customer details. As we go ahead, you will find lists, where you can create an unlimited list with some special name. So every list has a unique name and different contact information under it. Now we are moving to the most important part and key features of CallBee, which help you to get in detail Ignite. Let's check the master report. The master report is where you can filter according to your needs and views, which shows your results in graphs and data tables with so many tracking details. Next is summary report. Summary report is made for members reporting. You will find which member have made how many call in any specific date. Next is the attendance report. As per the name of the feature, you will find member attendance there. Let's move to main report of member. A performance report is very helpful to you if you are tired of tracking your agent call details and conversions at the end of the month. In the performance report, you will find a detailed graph where all calls are displayed for the selected month, so you can directly check which member is converting more. So you can make data-driven decisions for your team. Next is Disposition, as you can filter so many contact details with Disposition by adding your custom tag for every customer. Last but not least, there is a custom message template that helps send after-call messages directly. Thank you for your time. Hope this tutorial helped you to understand what's inside CallBee CRM Admin. If you're having problem in anywhere in your CallBee, contact our support team. They are ready to help you with zero cost.